Let's ride the car. As you can see, it's working. Yo, hello everybody, welcome back to this video in which we are going to add MFG or multi-frame generation to Samson for any GPU. So, how to download the files? As always in our website, and make sure to don't download the fake ads. And please get us to that 1k subscribers. We are so close. After downloading, we have those two. First one is DLSS Enabler by Arthur. You have to extract this, then go here, copy version.dll, then go to the game main folder, then go to CJ or CG, then binaries, Win64, and just paste it here. Okay, this is for X4 MFG. If you want to add X6 MFG, you have to download this Streamline files, extract, then go here, copy those, go back again to CJ or CG, then plugins, then runtime, then NVIDIA, Streamline Core, binaries, third party, Win64, and replace. Now next step is launching our game. Okay, we are here in the game, and what we have to do is go into the settings, then video, go to frame generation, set this to wherever you want. Let's go with X4. So we have Optiscaler included with the mode, so you can't tweak things here. But if you click this key in your keyboard, this menu will be opened. We need stats bar just for the video to see our frames. We have to enable Ghost Booster to reduce ghosting. Here for MFG override, if you want to use 6x mode, you can use it. I don't prefer this, but it's there, it's an option for you. Let's ride the car. As you can see, it's working. Try to get a high base frame rate to get a good experience. Let's disable this 6x mode. To save, just click here. You can tweak things here in the DLSS Enabler menu. For AMD and Intel GPU, it's better to enable this. And as you can see, it's very good experience. We have ghosting, but it's okay. So guys, get us to that 1k subscribers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next game or video.